thought I'd do a little, I don't know, something different. I felt inspired to do makeup occasions in where you're wearing an item of clothing and you sort of want it to complement your makeup. So today is Make It Yellow. I'm just going to show you what I do, how I apply this yellow eyeshadow on my eyes in the tutorial, and also just a simple basic singlet that I'm wearing that I thought would match my eyes to make it stand out more, or vice versa. So guys, if you like this type of content, please keep on watching. So the lids are already prepped and primed already. I just used the Be Perfect primer on my eyelids and I set it with a bit of the Rimmel translucent white powder. So going in with our Honey Aha palette by Colourpop, which is the choice of yellow that I want to use today. Of course you can use any yellow eyeshadow that you prefer from any palette that you desire. I just wanted to use this one today. So starting off in the crease shade, we're going in with the one called Totally Bugging, which is this shade here, and I'm just dipping in a little fluffy brush and putting that in the crease of the eye. So this just acts as a little prep to, I suppose, you know, going in with a brighter yellow shade, it's going to just make it stand out a little bit more. The transition shade really can be also a brighter yellow if you desire, but I just like this little tone here. It's beautiful. Okay, so now going in with the same brush, I'm going in with Sweet Spot, which is this bright yellow shade here, and then putting that all over the eyelid. So I'm just going in with Totally Bugging to go over that transition shade a bit more. And then dipping back into the Sweet Spot just to pack that on a little bit more. Now with my finger, I'm going in with Sunburst, which is this shimmery shade right there. What it looks like. Beautiful shimmery shade, and I'm putting that right in the center of the lid as a concentrated spot, and then blending it out over that yellow shade. This is what it looks like. Beautiful shimmery shade. Apply some brown eyeliner over the lids. Making sure to get really close to the lash line and make sure that your brush is sharpened. Taking it all the way to the inner corner of the eye, and then doing a little baby wing. Pretty much like that. And then lining the lower lash line just on the outer corner. And then just with an angled eyeliner brush, just smooth that out. Or even just a smudge brush. The idea is just to join it up with the upper lash line liner. So that it pretty much looks like that. Mascara time. Just using the Lash Princess Volumizing Mascara. You know how there's the green one? Well, this is the purple one and it's for volumizing, and it's the Essence Lash Princess Volumizer. So just doing some coats of mascara. So that's the mascara all on, top and bottom lashes. I really did just pack on the mascara, top and bottom lashes. Feel free to use false eyelashes, but I just prefer to use natural mascara. So now, just for an inner corner highlight, I am going back in with Sunburst. Do the inner corner of the eye. I'll just give you a close-up of the eyes. And just for blush, I'm using the Tower 28 in the shade Magic Hour. This is the Beach Please. And just on a brush, and just putting a little bit of that on my lips. So guys, it's pretty simple. Whenever you have an item of clothing and you just want to make it pop a little bit more, play around with your makeup, pull out the shadow that matches whatever it is you're wearing, whether it be bottom, top, all over. Just pull it out and play up your eyes with it, and you will make that item of clothing pop even more. It's really so simple. It draws attention to whatever you're wearing. It also pulls the attention up towards your eyes, and it just gives a very, very nice effect. I think it works a charm. And guys, if you like this video and you'd like to see more, please let me know in the comments below what shade you'd like to see next. I'm thinking violet or blue, but surprise me, I don't know. But guys, I really like making this type of content for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.